Are you a content creator and you have been wondering how you can literally create content while doing your work? So I stumbled on this video on Instagram and I just thought like, wow, as a braider, this is a life-changing device. It's not all about this device. I'll be unboxing with you today. I got it a few weeks ago, but because I was so busy, I was unable to unbox it. So the device looks like this. It's literally a neck tripod. You know how you can be walking, you're braiding, and you have to be going between devices, your ring light, your tripod, and all that. It can be so challenging. First, it takes up so much of your space. Second, it's so distracting. And third, like it just makes the client feel uncomfortable. So with this neck device, we'll unbox it together and see how it looks like. You can literally just place it on your neck. I'll see if I can try and insert videos for you to see. The girl who did this video on Instagram, I'm telling you, man, she's a braider and she's gone so viral. It comes like this. I can't remember if I ordered this other light separately or it came in the pack. So with this light, you can place it on your phone. Sorry, now I have to use another phone to demonstrate. So you can place it on your phone and it just adds up extra light, and you don't need, so you put it like this. For example, if I put it like this and if I'm taking a video here, it lights up my face and I can do whatever thing with this device on my face. So that's the first part. Here's the second part and here's the magic part. So I'm literally just finding out about this, so we have to figure it out together. So the first thing I've noticed is that it's very flexible. Yeah. It's flexible, so you can open and fold like this. And then it's, let's see. So there's kind of like a button here. What does it do? Okay. So this, if you press the button here, it opens up like this. Yeah. That's so cool, guys. This is a game changer, especially for braiders, makeup artists, And the good thing with this is that it takes the, how do I put it? It takes close range of your video. Okay, so there is something else here. I don't know what this is for. I think it's one of the magnet, and here is the manual, and here is just wet wipes to cleanse your phone, I guess. So after placing this like this is supposed to be, let's see that. I think the description said this was supposed to be like a magnetic something, but I don't know how it works yet. So I'm going to try and, okay. So here is a cider magnet. Okay, so you bend it like this. Will you be able to hold now? I don't know. Okay. So, okay, let me see if it's able to hold. So basically that's what it does. Like that. And you can film your videos while working. Does that make sense? Or it doesn't magnet the front, so you can only do it from like so. I'll try to see if I can get something else to give it a stronger hold. Oof. To give it a stronger hold. I don't know if this is what, I don't know if this is for that purpose. Sorry, you know what I'm talking about. So probably, okay, so if you want, I want to see if I can do it like from the front, because I usually film my majority of my videos from the front because I need to see what I'm doing, with the makeup and hair and all. Okay, yeah. So I can literally film like this. I can put it like this. I prefer it like this. And I'm filming what I'm doing. Then I place my, I think I have to figure out a way of putting back this thing. Then I place my light on my subject. And I film like this. Guys, this is such a, like, this is a life-changing something. Like, now at least I can start giving detailed tutorials of my braiding styles, my makeup and all. You know, for the longest time I've not been doing makeup videos just because, oh my god, it's so, I don't know, it's so time consuming. And like most clients, because they're always in a rush, they don't feel comfortable you trying to rush their makeup and at the same time you trying to like do content. Does that make sense? I'm trying to figure out a way of putting this thing back. I hope I don't break anything here now. So yeah, basically that's it. You can get this from Amazon. You can get this from Amazon or from, you see that? So that's the light. It's chargeable. It has the charger. You can charge it and it's really bright. Look at the difference. You can even tone it down. Oh my god, you can turn it down and you can take it high. Can you see the difference? Ooh, that's the change of light. Behind me now I have a ring light that's not turned on. So you can always just use this extra light for, okay, it's off at the wall. But yeah, let me turn that off. Let me turn it off. Oh. Do you see the difference? That's the before and after. Yeah, I really like this device. It's gonna be a game changer. I'm yet to figure out what this is for, and I'm yet to figure out how to insert this back, but I don't think that should be a problem because I just need to go through the manual and I'll be fine, right? So, anyways, you know I do business, so if you're interested in getting this device, if you can order it by yourself, just hit me up. For all braiders, bakers, basically any handwork that you do, this will just give you the liberty of like working while doing your handwork, if that makes sense. So guys, thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next unbox. Same video. I've been ordering a lot of stuff and I've not been having time to do the unbox, but let's just do it now. Bye.